Today, I'll show you how to contact AWS support. When working with Amazon Web Services, there may come a time when you need some assistance, whether it's technical support, billing inquiries, or something else entirely. Knowing how to reach out to AWS support can save you a lot of time and effort, and in this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the navigation bar. Here, you will find a question mark icon. This icon is your gateway to accessing support resources. By clicking on this icon, you will open a drop-down menu, presenting you with several options designed to assist you in finding the help you need. From this drop-down menu, you will want to select the option labeled Support Center. This is your central hub for all things support-related within AWS. The Support Center provides you with a comprehensive overview of your current support cases, as well as access to documentation and resources that could potentially answer any questions you might have. Upon entering the Support Center, you will be greeted by the main support dashboard layout. This dashboard is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for you to navigate through your support options. Here, you will notice a prominent orange button labeled Create Case. This is a key feature as it allows you to initiate a support request directly with AWS. Clicking on the Create Case button is your next step. This will begin the process of crafting your support request. AWS offers a variety of case types, so it's important to choose the one that best matches your needs. Whether you require technical support, have a billing question, or need something else, selecting the appropriate case type ensures that your request is directed to the right team and handled efficiently. And that's it. By following these steps, you're able to reach out to AWS support quickly and easily. Remember, AWS support is a valuable resource, so don't hesitate to use it whenever you need help. Keep in mind that having a clear understanding of your issue and choosing the correct case type will streamline the process and lead to swifter resolutions. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you next time.